Where else are we? Good afternoon from Boracay. White Beach. Kakalipat lang namin ng Jotel. Lumipat kami sa Jotel na sira ang generator. Woo! Tapos kung ayos ang generator, the elevator was under maintenance. Is under maintenance. Woo! So sabi ko, wag mo naman kami ilagay sa taas. Nya, okay. Lagay ko kayo sa second floor. Oh my God! So nag-stairs kami. So, pasok na ako dun sa isang corridor. Hindi pa po dyan. Akala ko ba second floor? That's the first floor. So, ground, first, second.
It's British.
Oh my gosh! So, but I requested kung may available na nakaharap sa likod. Kasi this hotel is facing the main road. Ergo, if we return to the hotel or tomorrow it happens again that there is no electricity, we have no choice but to have the windows open. I don't want to hear I don't want to hear the traffic down below. Although hindi naman masyadong maingay because hindi maingay ang mga e-trikes, diba? But just the same, I don't want that kasi we live along a busy road in Metro Manila. So sabi ko, pwedeng doon sa likod. So, okay naman na ang second floor nila is pang third floor na kasi you're above the Kalawang roof and you already have a view of Mount Luho and that lake at the foot of Mount Luho. Not bad considering it's yung price mababa lang considering na nasa station 2 ka na banda. Although it's 200 peso higher than the Canyon, which is newer. And TTT, did you like the services at the Canyon?
Yes.
Okay, approved. TTT approved. Ito.
Si Ella. Tapos si
Sino yung mga yon?
Feb Yaco.
Aha. Is that one and the same person?
No, they're two different people.
Ah, okay.
One is OJT.
Alright. Okay, so I'll show you the beach. There, I cannot say it's sparkling white.
That's the Pontuan. That's why there's so many.
I cannot see from here. Yan. Look at that. Some AFAM. The AFAMs have come back. The return of the AFAMs to Boracay. Before when we came here, a long time ago, after the pandemic, no AFAM. Now the AFAMs are dati yung AFAM makikita mo lang dun sa Angol. It's a Thursday where we are and we arrived last night. And we did not walk around in this area last night kasi gabi na. So we just ate our dinner in the Carinderia across our Jotel. I'm so happy that we're able to step on the fine sands of White Beach, Boracay, Station 2. So now, TTT would like to have lunch. Ako, I'm actually busog. Tapos kumain pa kami ng pastry from Baker King.
I'll have lunch and then buy my
On our way here.
gear.
What gear do you need?
Shorts and maybe a tank.
Oh, you don't have shorts? This short is good for swimming.
No, I'll buy swim shorts talaga. And
Define swim shorts yung kita yung buto mo.
no, medyo sunny and with some design, like very island vibe.
There, hindi ka
This
pala
is not island
nakikita.
vibe. This is
Why do you say it's not? Diba?
my pambahay shorts.
Jab.
Just for APPT going down to 7-Eleven.
Can you hear the waves? Punta muna tayo, let's just wet our feet first. Although kanina na wet na natin yung feet namin. Pero sa Diniwid, nagpunta kami kanina sa Diniwid because our hotel, the Canyon kanina, 400 meters away from Sinagpa. Diba? Near the under construction Boracay Terraces. There is PTT. If this is the only vlog of mine or ours that you're catching on YouTube, I call him TTT kasi he has a blog, B-L-O-G, and it's called the Transcendental Tourist. So short na lang is TTT. Diba? I use TTT kasi para ma-promote. So people who come to our YouTube channel, ma-curious, sino ba si TTT? Sabi niya, kasi ano siya, mag-AASMR. It's ano na mag 1 o'clock na. Maaga kami nag-check-in, mga 11:30 pa lang. Check out na kami, I mean, from the canyon into the new hotel. Pangalanan lang nating Crown Regency Prince. Yun lang. Wala lang, sira ang generator nila. Or ano ba? Wala silang permit to operate. Alam mo, in Boracay, you need a permit to operate a generator. Tapos, I suppose, when you get a permit, they don't just issue a permit, no? Baka they do check kung gaano ka gumagana pa yung generator. I hope the water is kinda malamig, pero hindi chilly cold. Diba sometimes the dagat is chilly cold? It's hard to, kaya ng paa ko. Hindi ko lang alam kung kaya ng the whole katawan ko. Kita nyo naman ako, naka bench jacket ako. Bought at a handsome discount. Look at the pontoon. Busy ang mga tao sa pontoon. Ay wala akong masabi. Boracay never gets old. I love Boracay. And I hope Boracay loves me back. And I hope YouTube loves me back. Diba? If maka-reach ka sa point na to, i-click nyo naman yung subscribe para dumami ang subscriber ko. So, dyan sa eskinita na yan, where the people are, going inside, dyan kami lumusot, galing sa hotel namin. It's a short walk to the main road, to the Bulabog Road area. Maraming mga ganyan dito sa Boracay na medyo eskinita, and that will lead you to the main road, or vice versa. TTT, dito tayo maglakad sa beach. Diba? Sayang naman. Ano yan? Anong ginagawa mo?
I let waves come. I don't chase waves.
So, another version. So, ilang versions yan? Iso-shorts mo. Diba?
It's a better version. It's sunnier and the water is...
It's okay. Kasi kanina, the waters of Diniwid yon. Ito, the waters of Station 2.
Yeah.
Oo.
Actually, that wasn't Diniwid. It was Sinapa.
Sinagpa.
Sinagpa.
So, doon mo ginawa, hindi sa Diniwid. Oh my God, madami nang namatay na trees. Or pinatay na trees kasi matanda na. Ayan inax na nila. Itong isa bibigay na din to. Wala na siyang crown. So doon na rin siya papunta. Yan. Wow, may sumusulat pa. Paper and pen. I think she's journaling. Alright, you're seeing the I'm looking at 3 Parao, pero naka-fold yung Parao sails. Ang ganda-ganda niyan pag naka-unfold. Ang dami talaga Parang hindi ko ma-memorize yan kung anong itsura niya bago siya pinutol. Yan. Let's continue walking. Dapat doon lang tayo sa vegetarian. Salamat po. Ang sarap pakinggan nung tunog ng alon. Pero pag natutulog ako, ayaw kong marinig yan. Na I have an unsettling feeling pag natutulog tapos naririnig ko yung alon. Because I stayed kasi we're old na, so marami na tayong pagkakataon na maka beachfront. Hindi ako makatulog kasi naririnig ko yung alon na yan. Yan ang mga masarap gawin, yung mga natutulog lang sa beach, sa tapat ng Starbucks. That black thing there is part of the malay na yan. Yung makapalang ulap. That is not Boracay. Pag tinignan mo lang from this point of view, parang nakadikit yung lugar na yan sa Boracay. But it's actually a separate island. Well, the mainland. Ayan. Ang mga sandcastles. Magkano bang tinitip sa sandcastle?
Bawal.
Anong bawal?
Bawal na yan.
Ang alin?
May pinsa.
Ay hindi, Diyos ko, that's an old law. Binalik na nila yan. Yes! Hindi naman yan papayagang magganyan kung bawal talaga. Anong ginagawa naman dito? Parang namang magkakahenan uli dito. It's a huge building. Diba? So may ginawa si Denzel dito. Let's record Denzel's humble sand castle. Mga, ano nga ang tawag doon? Yung parang ngipin sa mga port? Rampart. Ang kanyang rampart. So nandito na tayo sa Henan Crystal Sands. Bakit may ganyan? Naguhukay? Nang anong hinuhukay? Oh my God, puno. Grabe, Henan is back to business talaga. Full blast dahil look at them. Back in business. Yun. Anong kinukuha mo dyan? Look at the coconut trees. Alam mo, ang nakakadagdag ng vibes sa Boracay talaga itong coconut trees. Kaya hindi ko maintindihan yung mga ibang resort town na walang coconut trees sa beachfront. Diba? Kasi tinan mo, habang naglalakad ka, hindi mo akalaing sandamakmak na yung hotels and the restaurants. So, you get this feeling na island talaga na vibe na akala mo hindi pa developed. Kasi all you see is all you see are coconut trees and sun worshippers. Natutuwa talaga ako sa mga taong nagdadala ng novel. Paano na nababasa yan?
It's actually hard to read.
Exactly.
The beach.
True. At saka sayang, nandito ka na. Kasi alam mo ako, for me, reading a novel is going into another world. So, why escape to another world? Nandito ka na. But of course, sasabihin ng mga bashers, anong pake mo sa kanya-kanya tayong trip? Thoughts ko lang. Thoughts ko lang naman. It's my thought bubble. Kasi hindi ako makabasa ng libro nang nagbabakasyon ako. Although, lagi ako nagdadala ng libro. Sabi ko, okay, sa hotel before sleeping, hindi ko rin magawa kasi nag-upload pa sa memory bank ko lahat ng nangyari for the day. Diba? Dinadigest ko pa. Tapos ito ka, magbabasa ka ng novel at pupunta ka sa ibang mundo. So yarn, naghahanap kami ng lunch, lest we forget.
Yun sa our favorite was that chicken.
The what? What's our favorite ba?
Yung,
Andoks?
yeah.
Kaya pala you wanted to go back to the main road. We were so near,
Oh, not there.
Not there. Alam mo, they also have undocs here. We have to look for the undocs here. My God! I've never seen Boracay this way. Why am I saying that? Because the first time we came here after 20 plus years was after the pandemic. So, hindi ko nakita na marami to. Eh yung 27 years ago namin na Boracay, Boracay didn't look anywhere close to this vibe. It was really island vibing. Okay, the ubiquitous Traders Joe. Ayan, Traders Joe. Napagkikita ko yung Traders Joe lately. Baka nag-sale si Traders Joe at namakyaw ang mga Pilipino sa abroad.
Inasal. Sabi inasal.
Mang inasal? Alright. Hindi, mag-ano tayo. May parang ganyan pero sa loob ng D-Mall.
Eh, ayun o. Beachfront tayo.
You're not beachfront there. Akala mo lang beachfront ka. Ayan, papasok na tayo sa D-Mall. Papunta dun sa isang papunta sa... Hindi ako makakonsentrate. May nagsasell ng activities. So... May isa pang dyan chicken place sa loob. Diyan, sa D-Mall. So, it's already 20 minutes na nagre-record tayo. I-off na natin. Yun, dito tayo dumaan. Papasok na ako ng D-Mall. Wala na akong maikwento pa. So, goodbye. Please, kung nakaabot kayo dito, like and subscribe. You can also donate money. Buy me a coffee.